Ever notice how the loudest voice holding you back is not from the outside? It's in your own head. It's in your own head. What if you could finally turn that voice down and step boldly into the life you've been dreaming of? Every single day, millions of us wrestle with an invisible opponent, our inner critic. It's that nagging doubt before a big job interview, the hesitation before asking someone out, or the endless overthinking when you're about to launch a project. And here's the truth. That voice isn't reality. It's a fear-driven soundtrack on repeat. Today, I'll show you how to break the loop, silence your inner critic, and take action with confidence. Deep dive and core message. Think about your inner critic like a bad sports commentator, always predicting your losses before the game even starts. But here's the secret. You're the player, not the commentator. You decide how the game unfolds. Principle number 1. The first step is awareness. When that inner critic pipes up, label it. That's my fear talking. Imagine it's like spam email. You don't have to open it. This creates distance and power. Principle number 2. Ask yourself, what would a supportive coach or best friend say right now? Americans love the idea of a great coach, from Friday Night Football to career mentors. Channel that energy. Speak to yourself the way a great coach would. Short, clear, motivating cues. Principle number 3. Nothing shuts down self-doubt faster than movement. Whether it's sending that email, signing up for that class, or showing up to the gym, small, consistent action drowns out the inner critic's noise. Think of it like turning up your own soundtrack until the static fades. Name it the moment you feel self-doubt. Literally say to yourself, this is my inner critic, not me. Flip the script, write down the criticism, then rewrite it as if you were encouraging a friend. Take a micro-action. Do one small, concrete step toward your goal within the next 15 minutes. Send that text. Make that call. Hit publish. Real-world application and benefits. Picture this. You're sitting in your car before a big presentation. Instead of spiraling in doubt, you close your eyes, breathe, call out your critic, replace it with a positive cue, and walk in like you own the room. That's the shift. In your job, your relationships, your health, this approach builds real confidence. One action at a time. And yes, your inner critic will come back. That's normal. But each time you recognize it and act anyway, you're rewiring your brain, making courage your default setting. If this resonated, smash that like button. Drop a comment about a time you beat your inner critic. And subscribe for weekly motivation to keep leveling up. Remember, the loudest voice doesn't have to be the truest one. Turn down the critic. Turn up your courage. And take your shot, because the world is waiting for your move.